Beginning of 2022, and I'm more than delighted to be here with all of you. I know that a lot of you want to grow tremendously in 2022, and it will be my privilege to be a part of this journey of yours and to be able to help you in any way that I can. We all want to grow a lot, but sometimes we do not realize the little things that may be blocking our growth. Let me share an example. A few years ago, I made a small mistake. I enrolled for a speaking course. This was a course that on the face of it looked incredible. I thought it would open a lot of doors in my life, and it seemed like a great opportunity. However, under all the marketing and all the jazz in which the product was very beautifully packaged, I realized that the course was not all that great. It was a huge disappointment for me, and I was very upset with the outcome. I had invested a lot of time, energy, and money on the course, and it was literally heartbreaking to see that it could lead me nowhere, and there was no help. Eventually, I thought, okay, let this pass, and let's focus on what you are good at. Focus on the things that you really want to do. But surprise, surprise, even when I wanted to focus on what I wanted to do, there was a huge hurdle. The Hindi kahawat, which I'm sure a lot of you may have heard of, दूध का जला छाछ को भी फूक फूक के पीता है, became a reality for me. A person who is burnt by milk is cautious of buttermilk also. That saying became my reality. There were so many more courses that I wanted to do for my own growth and satisfaction. But each time an opportunity came to invest in a course, to spend wisely, the past experience would block me. I would keep thinking, what if it's the same kind of experience again? What if it's a repeat? What if I do not find value in it? What if it's a waste of my time, energy, and money? And in that process, I would keep on stopping myself from investing in anything. You know, it can be best explained in Hindi. The back of my mind would always say, कुछ भी हो जाए और पैसा नहीं इन्वेस्ट करना. कुछ भी हो जाए मैं दूसरा कोर्स तो नहीं करने वाली. That was my predetermined mindset. And I realized it was really blocking my growth. And how many times does this happen in our lives? That some small instance, one bad experience determines the entire course of our future. Rather, we allow it to determine the course of our future. Maybe in your childhood, you went to a dentist and it was a painful experience, unpleasant. Until now, you're not able to go to a dentist. I would say it's high time to change it. Maybe in your corporate life, you have been through managers who were very tough. Maybe some of you have been through horrendous bullying experiences. Maybe some of you have been humiliated, been micromanaged to an extent that you could not believe it. Maybe some of you were so scared of your manager that you would literally want to hide under a table and had no place to run to. If you are one of those, I would suggest by start thinking whether whatever that manager said is true about you. 99.9%, those are all stories that were coming from the manager's own insecurities. And if that's a little too deep for you, maybe begin smaller with examples of all the other managers who've helped you. You could think of all the people who have pulled you along your journey, who have really supported you, encouraged you, made you move forward, and trusted in you. That would go a long way in changing the impact of one bad experience in your life. With that thought, I would like to wish you all a wonderful 2022. I hope you have a great year of growth and evolution. And I will look forward to seeing you all soon. In case you have any doubts or questions, my email ID is innerpower.coachastha@gmail.com, which will be shared at the end of this video as well. If you have liked watching the video and you've enjoyed it and you feel it makes sense for you, then please forward it to your friends and family and help spread the message. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.